All right, so this is going to be a short video just to show that I have made a draft science arguments list. So a list with all the arguments, with all the points that I would like to respond to or try to respond to. So I wrote the link of the video in which he says in which he gives all of the arguments. So there are already 3 simple arguments video. Number 1, so the entire reason why 1/2 mv squared exists is because physics doesn't understand gravity, and there is a flyby argument. Then there is the third law of Newton, equal and opposite reaction, and I'm quoting Draftscience. There is no counter force that shows up to stop a force. And then the analogy: somebody can't have money unless they take it from someone else. Then there's the gun example. There's the lever argument, the history of kinetic energy. For 120 years, they believed and had proven mv squared. Why did they stick 1/2 in front of it? And then explain how the clay and sand experiment were a mistake. And there's the other video, all of the points here. So about the Professor Lewin experiment, the car that should be twice as massive can't possibly be twice as much due to the lack of attachments. Then the free energy problem: heavier car comes out with more momentum than logically possible. And more statements: the experiments are forced to come up with the results that pleases their theory. The Eddington experiment, something about 400 times better resolution from space, and you don't need an eclipse. And they never repeated the Eddington experiment. Why? So then there's the double slit experiment and the equation of force. Work is force times time instead of force times distance. Then the arguments that you put it in each one of your videos. You used to put them in each one of your videos on YouTube. I also put them here, copy pasted it here. So yeah, this is my list for now, just to let you know that I am acknowledging it, that I am aware of it, that I'm not ignoring it. And I will try to respond to them all. So that's it. That's all for this video. Stop sharing. I stop recording as well.